This is Awkward Alphabet Alliteration About Average Animals by me, Shane Kadlac. A. Alligators are awesome at accepting awards. B. Beetles bake buttery banana bread biscuits. C. Chipmunks can chew cheesy cold chestnuts. D. Dragonflies do drink dank dewdrops. E. Elephants eat egg eclairs every evening. F. Frogs find flies for funky friends. G. Giraffes give great goofy graduation gifts. H. Hippos have huge, happy, healthy hearts. I. Iguanas instantly inspect insects in ice. J. Jaguars just join jellyfish journeys jokingly. K. Kangaroos keep karate kicking kiwi kebabs. L. Lions love licking large lemon lollipops. M. Magpies make more music Monday mornings. N. Newts never nearly need noon naps. O. Owls often open oranges over oceans. P. Penguins ponder Poe's pretty poems perfectly. Q. Quails quickly quiz quaking queens quietly. R. Rhinos run rampant round rough rocks. S. Sharks swim so swiftly straight south. T. Turtles tend to travel towards towels. U. Urials under unusual umbrellas use underwear. V. Vipers vocally VROOM vivid vehicle verses. W. Walrus wear warm whiskers when walking. X. X-ray fish examine Xerox xylophones exactly X times. Y. Yaks yanked young yellow yams yesterday. Z. Zebras zoom zero zany zigzags. This was scripted and sketched by Shane Kadlac. Silly sentence shenanigans.